Recently, the Southern African Development Community, or SADC, found itself at the center of controversy over its handling of Zimbabwe's elections in August. Let's dive into what happened and why it's causing such a stir. The elections were marked by delays and discrepancies that raised eyebrows around the world. Imagine this. In Harare, a city where 1/3 of Zimbabwe's registered voters live, ballot papers arrived almost 12 hours late. This wasn't just a minor hiccup. It potentially swayed the entire election outcome. SADC's Electoral Observer Mission, along with other international groups, labeled the elections as fraudulent. But what's even more interesting is the aftermath. Instead of outright rejecting these flawed elections, SADC took a more diplomatic route. They accepted the critical reports and acknowledged the citizens' grievances, which is a step in the right direction. However, it makes you wonder, is acknowledging the problem enough? Zimbabweans understandably are disappointed. They expected a more robust response, perhaps one that could lead to a re-evaluation of the election results or stronger sanctions against electoral misconduct. This reaction from SADC has left many feeling disillusioned, questioning the effectiveness of such regional bodies in safeguarding democratic norms. As we look at this scenario, it's crucial to ask ourselves about the role of international observer missions. Are they merely watchdogs that bark without biting, or can they genuinely enforce democratic principles? The actions SADC takes next could set a precedent, not just for Zimbabwe, but for electoral integrity across Southern Africa. In closing, while SADC's initial steps in acknowledging the flawed elections are commendable, the real test is in what follows. Will they step up their game and restore faith in the electoral process? Or will this be another instance where political convenience trumps the pursuit of democracy? As we continue to watch this unfold, the hope for a fair and just political environment remains alive, not just in Zimbabwe, but across all nations striving for democratic integrity. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this overview insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on how political landscapes are shaped around the world. Until next time, stay informed and engaged.